औज़ुबिल्लाहि मिनश्शैतानिर्रजीम बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलामु अलैकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। Welcome back to Digital Social Science YouTube channel. Myself, Yamruksana, Assistant Teacher of Galib High School, Bellary. Children, today we'll play quiz on the topic Advent of Europeans to India. First question is, the Indian spices like pepper, ginger, and many other which had great demand in which continent? First option is here Europe, second is Asia, third is North America, fourth is South America. Yes, you are right, children. Answer is Europe. Now come to the next question now. Which city is known as Gate of European Trade? First option is here Constantinople, second is Turkey, third is Syria, fourth is Egypt. Yes, you are right, children. Answer is Constantinople. Which city is known as a gate of European trade means you have to write down Constantinople. Who had gained monopoly over the trade in Asian countries? First option is China, second is Russia, third is Arab, fourth is Malaysia. You are right, children. Arab. Fourth question. Who had gained monopoly over trade in Europe? First option is Spain. Second is Portugal. Third is German. And fourth is Italian. You are right, children. Italian traders had gained monopoly over trade in Europe. Come to the next question now. Through which city Asian and Europe trade was taking place? First option is Constantinople, second is Poland, third is Iran, and fourth is Iraq. You are right, children. Answer is Constantinople. Next question. When did the Ottoman Turks capture the city of Constantinople? First option is 1553, second is 1453, third is 1653, and fourth option is 1753. Listen one more time here. First option is 1553, second is 1453, third is 1653, and fourth option is 1753. So you are right, children. Answer is 1453. Question number 7. Who captured the city of Constantinople? First option is Portugal, second is China, third is Turkey, and fourth is Poland. Right, children. Answer is Turkey. Next question. Mention the inventions which helped to find out new sea route to India. Only compass. First option is only compass. Second is only astrolabes. Third is only gunpowder. Fourth is compass, astrolabes, and gunpowder. You are right, children. Fourth option is a right answer. Next question now. Who discovered a new sea route to India? First option is Vasco da Gama. Second is Alfonso de Albuquerque. Third is Francisco de Almeida. Fourth is Columbus. You are right, children. Vasco da Gama, who discovered a new sea route to India. Question number 10 now. Who was Vasco da Gama? German sailor, Portuguese sailor, Russian sailor and Indian sailor? You're right, children. Portuguese sailor. When did Vasco da Gama discovered a new sea route to India? First option is 1698, second is 1598, third is 1498 and fourth is 1798. You are right, children. Third option is 1498 is the right answer. Who was the Portuguese sailor reached Calicut in the year 1498? First option is Robert Clive. Second is Francisco de Almeida. Third is Alfonso de Albuquerque. Fourth is Vasco da Gama. You are right, children. Fourth option is right answer. Who were the first to re-establish trade between India and Europe? First option is Portuguese, second is German, third is France and fourth is England. Yes, you are right, children. Portuguese, who were the first to re-establish trade between India and Europe. Next question. Who were the first to arrive at India for the trade and were also the last to leave India on the sea route? Who were the first to arrive at India for the trade and were also the last to leave India on the sea route? First option is British, second is Portuguese, third is Dutch and fourth is France. You are right, children. Portuguese. Next question. Who arrived in India as the Viceroy of Portuguese after Vasco da Gama? First option is Dupleix, second is Robert Clive, third is Francisco de Almeida, fourth is Thompson. You're right, children. Francisco de Almeida arrived in India as the Viceroy of Portuguese after Vasco da Gama. Next question. Who implemented Blue Water Policy? First option is Vasco da Gama, second is Dupleix, third is Robert Clive and fourth is Francisco de Almeida. You are right, children. Fourth option is the right answer, Francisco de Almeida. Next question. Who is considered as the real founder of Portuguese Empire in India? First option is Alfonso de Albuquerque, second is Sir Thomas Roe, third is Bussy and fourth is Dupleix. You are right, children. Alfonso de Albuquerque is considered as the real founder of Portuguese Empire in India. Next question. Who waged the battle against the Sultan of Bijapur in 1510 and owned Goa? First option is Lord Wellesley, second is Alfonso de Albuquerque, third is Lord Dalhousie and fourth is James Thompson. You are right, children. Alfonso de Albuquerque is waged the battle against the Sultan of Bijapur in the year 1510 and owned Goa. Which was the administrative center of Portuguese administration in India? First option is Karnataka, second is Bombay, third is Goa and fourth is Madras. You are right, children. Goa is the right answer. Why did the power of Portuguese decline in India? First option is the arrival of Dutch, second is the arrival of French, third is the arrival of English, or the fourth option is the arrival of English and French. You are right, children. The arrival of English and French. Because of the arrival of English and French, the power of Portuguese declined in India. Next question. When was Dutch East India Company started? First option is 1602, second is 1603, third is 1604 and fourth is 1605. You are right, children. 1602 is the right answer. Next question. Who issued a royal charter authorizing East India Company to trade with Eastern countries for 15 years? First option is Queen Victoria, second is Queen Elizabeth, third is Queen Mary, and fourth is Queen Emma. You are right, children. Second option is the right answer. Queen Elizabeth. Who issued a royal permission to English to establish their first warehouse or factory at Surat? First option is the Mughal Emperor Akbar. Second is Mughal Emperor Babur. Third is Mughal Emperor Jahangir. And fourth is the Mughal Emperor Aurangzeb. You're right, children. The Mughal Emperor Jahangir had given the permission to start the warehouse or factory at Surat. Next question. Name the royal ambassador from the court of James I who visited the court of Jahangir. First option is R.M. Bird. Second is Alexander Reed. Third is Robert Clive. And fourth is Sir Thomas Roe. Fourth option is the right answer. Sir Thomas Roe. Who took Madras from the king of Chandragiri and established a strong fort named St. George Fort? First option is English, second is French, third is Dutch, and fourth is Portuguese. You're right, children. English. British had took Madras from the king of Chandragiri and established a strong fort named St. George Fort. Who gave Bombay as an annual rent of £10 a year to East India Company? First option is Charles I, the Prince of England. Second option is Charles II, the Prince of England. Third option is Charles III, the Prince of England. Fourth option is Charles IV, the Prince of England. You're right, children. Second option is the right answer. The Charles II, the Prince of England. Name the presidencies of the British. First option is Bombay and Madras. Second is Madras and Calcutta. And third is Bombay, Madras and Calcutta. And fourth option is only Bombay and Calcutta. Children, Bombay, Madras and Calcutta are the presidencies of the British. When was French East India Company started? In 1662. Second option is 1663. Third is 1666 and fourth is 1664. You are right, children. 1664 is the right answer. Next question. Which was the first factory of the French? First option is Surat. Second is Mahe. Third is Pondicherry. And fourth is Goa. You are right, children. Surat was the first factory of the French in India. Next question. Who was Dupleix? Dutch Governor General or French Governor General? Third option is British Governor General. And fourth option is Spain Governor General. You are right, children. French Governor General. Next question. By which treaty the First Carnatic War came to an end? Treaty of Madras, Treaty of Paris, Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle and Treaty of Mangalore. You are right, children. Treaty of Aix-la-Chapelle. By which treaty the Second Carnatic War came to an end? First option is Treaty of Paris. Treaty of Mangalore is the second option. Third is Treaty of Madras. And fourth option is Treaty of Pondicherry. Fourth option is the right answer, children. By which treaty the Third Carnatic War came to an end? Treaty of Paris, Treaty of Srirangapatna, Treaty of Madras and Treaty of Mangalore. You are right, children. Treaty of Paris. Come to the next question now. Between whom the Battle of Plassey took place? First option is Sirajuddaulah and the French. Second option is Sirajuddaulah and the British. Third option is Sirajuddaulah and the Dutch. And fourth option is Sirajuddaulah and the Portuguese. You're right, children. Nawab, Sirajuddaulah and then British. The Battle of Plassey was fought between Sirajuddaulah and the British. Next question. When was the Battle of Buxar fought? In the year 1762. Second option is 1763. Third option is 1764. And fourth option is 1765. You're right, children. 1764. Who brought the dual government concept? First option is Lord William. Second is Lord Thomson. Third is Lord Dalhousie. And fourth option is Robert Clive. You're right, children. Robert Clive had introduced the dual government concept in India. Thank you. Allah Hafiz. Have a great day. Please, children, stay at home and be safe. Jazakallahu khaira.